All right, so today we're going to be working with the Endurastone silver granite, and we're putting in a herringbone pattern with our pavers. So the basic pattern, what it looks like, as the name suggests, is a herringbone. So this is the pattern that we're trying to achieve with our paved area here. So I've got two hard up in this corner. That's going to form the base of our pattern. Now what we're going to do is we'll continue this L shape further out this way, and then we're going to work back off it. So as we've got this one laying long ways here, and then the long section facing this way, we just want to continue that up through the area that we're going to pave. Making sure that they're always 90 degrees to each other, so you keep those nice lines. So you keep those lines nice and clean. Just giving them a slight tap with the rubber mallet, just so they seat in nicely into our bedding sand. So now that we have our pattern moving out this way, we're going to start to fill in some of these sections here. Right, so as you can see, we've got a gap here and another small one here. So we've got the 6x4s, we've also got some 4x4s. So in this space here, we're going to fit a 4x4. And then same again at the back. So now that we put our 4x4s down, you can see the two smaller gaps either end. So what we've done there is we've got one of our 6x4s and we've trimmed them in half. So one's going to go in this section. And the other is going to go up here. So you can see that classic herringbone look through here, and we're just going to continue this through our paved area. All right, so now that we've laid our herringbone pattern, we're going to get some of this fine sand and we're going to put it between the joins just to lock everything in place.